Hello, and welcome back to Designing with Reggie. I hope you're having a good week. I'm having a so-so week, but I'm not going to complain because I'm alive, I'm healthy, and I have a beautiful family. So when I was doing some research, I'm always researching new trends, new techniques that I don't know about. So I don't just design, I study as well. You should see my library. I've got a library full of, draping and books on fashion. Well, I came across this book, The Fundamentals of Fashion Draping by Nick Varios. Now, Nick Varios is the person who got me into fashion designing. With we started off with the pencil skirt, then the basic bodice. So here's the book that Wesley ordered, and it's available on Amazon, so you can get it on Amazon. But I want to go through a couple of things that I highlighted that I think that would be important that I don't think I talked about. So I'm going to slide over and bring Shaniqua or Chandeliera, this Chandeliera. I'm bringing Chandeliera over here, and let's talk briefly about some of the things that that are mentioned in the book. The first thing is the apex. I know we talked about the apex probably about 4 years ago, but I'm going to bring it back up. The apex is the highest point of the bust, which is this part and this part. And the reason they say it's the highest point of the bust, because if you lay the mannequin down on its back, this will be the highest point of the bust. Now, the arm plates, common sense, but then again, common is not so common. These right here, this is the arm plate, okay? We didn't talk much about that, but that's what it is. And some more terminology that I highlighted was ease. Ease is something that I have not talked to you about. So when you're draping your skirt or you're draping something right here, make sure when you're draping, you're not pulling the fabric. And to add some ease, what you need to do is just go to your side seam, which is right here, and pinch the fabric just a little bit, and then release it. And that's going to give you ease. It's going to allow you to sit down. It's going to allow you to walk without walking like. So that's what ease is and how you create ease within a garment. French curve ruler. Let me get this. I'll be right back. I'm sorry I had to leave. I thought I was prepared, but I wasn't. This is a hip curve ruler right here. And what this is when you're truing your pattern, and what truing your pattern is after you've transferred your markings to your pattern making paper, you use your truing instruments to make a true pattern. That's why it's called truing, because you're making a true pattern. So when you get to the waist or get to the side seam, this helps. See? That helps in creating your hip curve when you are truing it. So all you have to do is just trace right along there. And it curves and curves and curves, and then it comes straight, just like a pencil skirt would do. And it does the same in the front and on the sides as well. So that's a French curve ruler. Now, another terminology that I think is important is style lines. People think that that's difficult, but it's not. A style line is basically your seams. That's it. Style lines. Basically your sleeves. And not your sleeves, your seams. So what you do is you get your dressmaking tape, like I did right here. I didn't take this off, but this is a style line. Or however you want your silhouette to be, however you want your neckline to be, whether it's a sweetheart, bustier, or just a straight dress, however you want, that to be, you use your designer draping tape to do your style lines. Now, with that being said, I hope you found something interesting, but I will be coming back and we will be going through this book together. We're going to start at the beginning and we are going to go through the basics of draping, and it's going to we're going to show you where to pin, how to pin, and where you need to go when you're making a design. So it's a really good book. That's a sleeve, so it's going to be fun. So if you can get this book from Amazon, the Fundamentals of Fashion Draping, it will be really useful. So happy designing. Have a good rest of the week, and I hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.